Welcome, today I'm showing how to turn off Google Assistant option into a Realme Narzo 50A Prime. Firstly, open your Google application, this one. Then in the top right corner we got our Google account icon, so tap it and choose Settings. Next up, go into Google Assistant option and here scroll down and go into General option. And last one, tap here on the switcher to turn off your Google Assistant. Tap and confirm operation, tapping turn off one more time. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.